Noble, for this information you are teaching me. Now let's go into the binary system. I know that binary. I've done binary in mathematics, whether 0 1. So what is binary system in computer?
Binary system are classified as the words or the language binary the computer understand, because normally the computer does not understand like normal English. Like when you tell it to stop, it doesn't understand like stop.
Mm.
Is the system unit or the CPU that converts it for him in binary, so he can't hear it very well. So the binary are classified into the hexadecimal, the binary, and the decimal. The decimal are in base 10. These are the base 10. The base 10s are mostly like the normal numbers you know today, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mm.
That's how the base 10. Why the hexadecimal? These are in base 16. In base 16, the computer is 1, 2, 3. But once it gets to 10, it's no longer 10. It becomes A. Then
Okay.
11 B, 12 C,
Okay.
13 D, like that, so on and so on.
That's the exact.
Hexadecimal.
Okay. When it, after 10, the 11 is A.
No, after 9,
9.
10
Okay. 10 is A.
A,
11
B.
B. Okay, just like that.
Yes.
Okay.
So then the next one is the decimal. Let's see decimal.
In
The
the binary,
binary.
yeah.
The binary is the base 2. The base 2
Mm.
is like the zeros and ones. The people usually know like the easiest ones, and it's easy to calculate. Like it's part of mathematics. Is like the one of the most easiest topics in mathematics.
Wow.
So the base 2, like you can see the example of the base 2. You can see is like in your switch. The thing you guys see like 0 and 1,
Mm.
like 0 up, 1 down, or 1 up, 0 down. Once you press the place that you see the 1, it thing turns your light bulb on.
Mm.
While you press the 0, your light bulb off.
Mm.
So that's how the computer is like. So that's how the computer is like. The 0 is like the down units, while the
Mm.
1 like the up units. So that's how those are the binary systems. Like if there was like a rough sheet or a board here, I could have calculated
Mm.
how they usually calculate it for you.
Wow, wow, that's good. Thank you so much, Noble, for this important lecture that you are giving. Not just me, but also my followers and also children like you and others, those who are having interest in computer training. So this is computer. Is it computer appreciation 101? That Noble is teaching us. Thank you so much, Noble. So the next one we are going to enter into is the impact of computer in the society. Okay. In this discussion, you have told me the meaning of computer.
Yes.
So, yeah, that is an electronic device, though you said not all computers are electronics.
Yeah.
And then you've also given me the generations of computer, started big and then started reducing to very small, to the point that it is what we are having now is artificial
Intelligent.
intelligence. Wow. And then we also discussed the history and development of computer. Some
Yeah.
of it started with abacus,
Yes.
abacus, calculation, and
Yeah.
then now we have something bigger today, and we even we have Java and the rest of them. So you've told me the classification of computer based on function.
Yeah.
We have the general, specific, general does plenty work,
Yeah.
and we see our phone. Our phone can do almost everything,
Yeah.
and then we have calculator. Calculator, in fact, some of the calculator they use in our external exam, it does specific tasks. Okay, in fact, all calculator does specific,
So,
which is calculation. Okay, so you've also you've told me about the classification based on type.
yes.
So where we have the analog, digital,
Digital
and
and
the hybrid.
hybrid.
Okay, and then we also look at classification based on
Size.
size, where we have micro, mini, mainframe, and supercomputer.
Yeah.
Okay, so and then we've looked at the binary system,
Yes.
which is you told me is the language of computer. Yeah,
Decimal,
decimal and what
hexadecimal, and binary.
binary. Okay, now that we've discussed all these things, what then is the impact of computer in the society?
Impact of computer have helped us in various aspects,
Mm-hmm.
such as industries, education, banking, e-commerce. So let me start with education. Computer helps us in education, in e-learning,
Mm.
CBTs, and helps teachers in preparing their lesson notes.
Mm.
Just as Educare, Educare help so many schools in preparing online exams for them. So that's how computer also help. We also have e-learning now.
E-learning.
E-learning, yes.
E-learning. Okay. Okay.
Yes, so like some schools, like an abroad school, they don't usually use notebook anymore. They can
Mm.
just be running their learning iPad and all the things the teacher is saying is just in their iPad there.
Mm.
So that's how education has helped us. It also helps teachers in preparing their lesson notes
Mm.
in things they can learn. So the next one will be next on is the banking. Computer also helped us in banking. For example, they help us in online transactions, making
Mhm.
online transactions, such as the Zenith Bank. No need for you to go to POS,
Mm.
or some people go to POS, but some people can just use their phone
Yeah,
and to just so successful the money has transferred to your account.
I do that a lot.
So that's how the computer helped us. It also helped us in
Mm.
advertising of product. The internet helped us in advertising of product. Like if you have a product today, you can just post it, put it on Facebook, and
Yeah.
people will just start purchasing you. That
Mm.
helped us in e-commerce,
Yeah.
buying and selling online. So example of e-commerce app, example of a e-commerce app that computer will help them in is the Jumia,
Mm.
Amazon's, all these apps that you just open your phone, press, go to the app, and next thing you bought something, easily just transfer your money. That's how the computer really helped us these days. We also have the computer also helped us in transportation as we know it. No more using of cattle or donkeys. You can just enter a car or aeroplane,
Mm.
and sometimes you can just use our phone and a car will just come booking of boats.
Yeah.
That's how computer also help us in our transportations. So it will also help us in industries, in research of the products,
Mm.
of the right ingredients and the right in the possession of nutrients the
Yeah.
ingredients should have. That's how computer also helped us in industries, and they also helped us in the business organization,
Mm.
overseeing the people without even being there
Yeah.
with like cameras.
Yeah.
So that's how computers help us in the industries. So those are the aspects, but there are more, but I can't list them now. But there are very, 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 very many that
Wow.
helped us.
I can imagine. Indeed, the computer has really helped the society from the education, banking, e-commerce, transportation, industry, and even in the Christian circle. It
Yes.
has also really it has helped us. Wow, that's very good. Thank you so much, Noble, for this for coming out to be a blessing to my audience, and thank you for putting all this in your head and knowing all these things. I must I appreciate you. I want you to keep it up. I know with what I read earlier, with what you have, that's the foundation you have right now, you can go as far as you want to go. So I want you to keep it up. Huh?
Okay.
Don't give up. Keep it up. Something that I did not mention about Noble is that Noble is also a soul winner. Yeah, Noble is a soul winner. He goes for soul winning every Saturday, right?
Yes.
So Noble is a good soul winner. It was indeed a wonderful time that I share with you. So what do you have to say to my audience?
So I have to say to them, like, share, and subscribe to talk with the lady. Is you can learn more from there. So that's all I have to say to.
Thank you. So just as Noble has said, like, subscribe, we talk with Bariledum. There are more that you are going to learn. There are more that you're going to learn. And don't just like, subscribe, also share it. Comment on if you have any question or things that you want us to discuss. You can reach out to me. My Facebook is Oere Bariledum Prosper, and then my YouTube is Talk with Bariledum. You can reach out to me via my phone number. Do you want to know my flight now? Just look at it under the video. You see there. Thank you so much, and then God bless you. Bye. Thank you for watching this special edition. See you in the next episode.